I accidentally took double my 60 mg cymbalta prescription 2 days ago. That day I was extremely fatigued. Yesterday the fatigue lifted slightly but was replaced by terrible black dark feelings of depression and hopelessness. I saw M.
How long have you been feeling this way? Have you reached out to anyone about this yet?
I saw my family doctor yesterday morning and at that time explained the fatigue, and she said that would be a side effect of the double dose and that it wouldn't be toxic, and my chemistry would readjust within a couple of days. I hadn't begun to feel the depression. I've been on the phone to several friends today because I was scared of being alone. If these feelings should pass soon, I will hang in there and call my doctor's office Monday am. I was just looking for some feedback on how long it may take. I was feeling very good on my 60 mg a day.
Anything else in your medical history you think the doctor should know?
No.
Hello and welcome, I'm Dr. Chip. After that, did you not take any more of the cymbalta?
I took my regular 60 mg dose the next day.
Okay, the extra dose should be out of your system by tomorrow and then you should be back on an even keel. Just try to hang in there for the time being. Please let me know if you need any more information.
Can you confirm it is possible the extra dose triggered the feelings of severe depression? When I called my pharmacist, he said the extra 60 mg wouldn't cause this level of despondency.
Yes, it must be the extra dose since you were so stable before you took it. I have seen this happen before with my patients.
Thank you.
My pleasure, but please remember to click on the 5-star excellent rating icon so I can get credit for my time with you.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.